What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a little day in the life. Got myself a little cameraman. You can introduce yourself.
That's good.
So as you guys can see, I'm not in my regular whip. My whip took a shit on me, so we're using my dad's car. Thank you, Pops, for this. But yeah, so the plan today, right now we're heading to the gym. Gonna get a little workout in, and then I have a few cuts later, and then I have a little surprise for you guys. We're gonna see that at the end of the video. Stay tuned. You guys probably know, it's probably in the thumbnail. But yeah, so now we're just gonna head to the gym and get oh, that was a cop. Get a good workout in. So yeah, since I got myself a little cameraman, you know, expect some videos, expect some content. It's gonna be coming out. We're gonna be grinding out some videos. I'm going to CT Barber Expo next weekend, so looking forward to that. And yeah, gonna link up with Vic Blend, Chris Bossy, and all my boys. Nah, for real, my goal for this whole expo is to like network. Yeah. Like I want to end up at an after party with all those guys, you know?
You gotta hit Vic Blends though. Like you gotta do something to impress them, you know? You gotta think of something special, make yourself stand out. Why do you get to go to the after party and someone else doesn't?
Makes the barber. Alright, we made it to the gym. Go crush a workout.
These niggas is missing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas will quit it. So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah. Look, shit, I chase hits to make some real shit. Something that they feel shit. Cause all I know is speaking on some shit I really deal with. Like how I fucked some hoes and in the morning didn't feel shit. Was tired of being single, so I went and got a real bitch. Like how my homies quit and left this rap shit, nigga. So now I'm grinding dolo in they absence, nigga. But I'm still sticking to the plan cause I mapped it, nigga.
Nah, man, you didn't put me through enough pain.
Why you gotta say that? Alright, so pretty solid workout. Now the plan, I gotta drop this bum off at home. And then I gotta drop the car off and walk to work because my dad needs the car. Walks are fire. You guys don't go on walks, you guys gotta start going on walks.
What happened to your car?
The gas pump. I was at the light, like right here. I'm at an intersection at the light. I'm the first one like in front, and my car just shuts off, doesn't want to turn back on. So for like 45 minutes I was just stuck at the light. Cop pulled up behind me, had his lights on. I was waiting for a tow truck, had to bring it towed. It messed up my whole day, couldn't even work, had to cancel all my appointments. It's all right, stuff you can't control, right? Another thing, cold showers. I just hit a cold shower, I feel like $1,000,000. Start your day off with a cold shower, watch, different. But yeah, so I'm just gonna drop them off and then start heading to work. So yeah, like I was saying before, going on a walk to work right now. But yeah, something that I started doing, really think you guys should do it too, is going on walks. Just go on a walk, start listening to podcasts. I recommend listening to, it's called the Mindset Reset. You could just put it on, it's on Spotify. Just listen to that. It's like a 6-7 episode thing. They're not too long. I think they're like 20 minutes. And basically just in that podcast, it teaches you how to really use your brain and just like how to motivate yourself, achieve your goals and all that. So definitely would recommend listening to that. You know, if you're just cutting at the shop, put an AirPod in and just start listening to it. It's going to give you motivation for the day. And yeah, and for the walks, just go on a walk, get moving. You know, when you're on a walk, you're just in your head with your own thoughts, so it could be a very good thing. Just process, you know, your goals that you have and all that. So yeah, definitely would recommend going on walks and listening to podcasts. Bob.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Call 911. Have you seen Mace?
Yeah. It's good. Vlogging today, so what's up to the vlog?
Too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets didn't taught me, but we're too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets didn't taught me, I'm just trying to get my niggas paid. We came from Section 8, and I knew I was that nigga since the 2nd grade.
Rate the cuts on 10.
Like on like a really like the best cool,
The best.
like a 4.
Valid.
No, I'm trolling. Mace is the best barber in MTL. Been coming here since I was the age of 15 years old.
Right now we're waiting for my last client. He's supposed to pull up in a Lambo. That's the last thing I heard, so we'll see if he actually pulls up in a Lambo. And if he pulls up in a Lambo, he better let me drive the Lambo, or else I'm not cutting his hair.
My bad. Oh, Rich.
He's letting you drive it?
I'll be quick, I promise.
No, that's a soft ass whip.
I know.
I got a zoom.
Yeah.
Let's hear it. Guys on the phone. Where you going?
Yo, don't be a barber, they said.
Yo, your jokes, bro. You kill me.
What's up? My new car.
Wow, guys! I had my first car 16 years of brand new Camaro. Wow, 180.
Yeah.
Fuck, don't drive fast like me.
No,
And
for
me at
sure.
top between Saint-Sauveur and Saint-Agathe, 160 the top down.
Yeah?
I picture. I bought my second one, 26 cash. My insurance Saint-Sauveur 330 by month in 1995. Drug dealer, yeah! My biggest deal, 10K at $500,000 back 2004, yeah, anytime. Did you job never you?
Yeah. Yo, I'm famous. Bro, that girl was, what was she on, bro?
Yeah, I don't know.